Hello guys, here we are back again, another video, another day. Today is December 20 and this is just 15 minutes after the opening of the US market. I took a trade, 4 contract, went all aggressive. In my previous videos, I told you that that I take this extra contracts in some different scenarios. Well, this scenario here was the perfect one. You see what happened yesterday and today is the market created like a gap going all the way downtrend, so created a big gap, and now so the market went back to this area to generate all this liquidity in order to go down uptrend. So now everything was confirmed. So at the opening of the market line theory, there was the power pressure so strong, but it was taken by the bear. So this move is obvious that the market going all the way this area again to generate more liquidity and then pierce and break that resistance level that's been taken by the bear. So the power pressure is just so strong, been building from 9:30 at the opening, and now just going crazy. So I'm expecting a beautiful trend. So this is a day trade. It's not a scalp. This is a day trade style. So there you go. As you know, I like to release my contract as soon as possible. So I put the two first contracts in the some levels of resistance, previous resistance. So now I'm expecting the market will reach, the price will reach the area of my, where I set the target, the first target and second target. There you go. So the first target been executed and or hit. So now we go in toward the second one. So for the two contracts remaining, well, if that target will be hit, then the two contracts remaining will be managed differently. And there you go. So two contracts been hit, so which is the target number one, target number two. So now I'm sitting that the third target is around the opening of today. So then the 5 minute can see it, and then now I can see this level in the 2 minutes, the first level of the resistance in here. So now I'm securing my trade, putting my stop loss more above the entry level of my trade. So now it's hitting the second level of the resistance. If the market will break this area, we will definitely reach the opening level of today market at the Asian session. So there it goes. So the market seems that indeed is going crazy to that level, which is the opening of the market and Asian session. I love this kind of trade. I've been waiting for the setup for quite long, and that's why I love Nasdaq, because it's giving me this kind of setup more and more. And this is why I like to be familiar with 1, 2, 3 pairs. In this case, Nasdaq is my favorite. There's always liquidity in this instrument. This is the E-mini Nasdaq and the futures. So yes, sir. So I love that. So look at the air size, beautiful shape, the 2 minutes. So this is it. So this is the third level that's the market need to break in order to hit our third target. That's awesome. Come on, baby, keep it up. You can do it. And of course, more contract, more profits. So you time that. But it's not something I like to do always. Sometimes I like 4, 3 dependence a day. So now today is Tuesday. And then this is December. of course the market will end the year in certain levels. So this is crazy and I love it. There you go. There you go, baby. Come to Papi. Don't be shy now. Come on. Yes. I love it. This is awesome. So now securing my trade with good profit. Whatever the market now will do at this point, if it's gonna breach and break the opening of the Asian session, so the price of the opening price of today. There you go. So you can see it better in the 5 minutes. If they can break it, if not, whatever. The bottom expecting yes, because that was the beautiful. This is a beautiful buying pressure. So now the bears they switch the hand, give it to the bulls, and this is it. But as you know, I don't like stay that much, and it's right facing the screen. So now as I secured my trade, it's a matter of how I'm gonna manage the trade, and then just keep on updating my stop loss and put it in some areas more and more like higher. You can see this beautiful candle at the opening that was kind of it wasn't the opening, it was like actually 6 minutes after that it created a beautiful mid down. So a lot of people shorted that level, and then now they're stuck, they all out. It was a bullish, or yes, it was a bullish environment. Today it is a bullish environment. You just gotta see it, you gotta feel it, you gotta study it, and you gotta stick with it. So that's it. So those kind of fake out that's the Nasdaq do in order to generate more liquidity, stop loss hands, etc. So now what I place in my stop loss, of course, basically I'm just saying I'm ready to say goodbye. Of course, if I want to stick around more, I will not place my stop loss right there. It's pretty much tight. Yes, but you never know. So now again, it's the end of the year, so everything happened in this first 30 to 45 minutes after the opening of the US market. A lot of things happen during the European session too. So basically, you don't want to stick around that much. Here it goes, and the market seems that it's want to shoot a little bit more uptrend. That's delicious. There you go. That's beautifully see the 5 minutes. Yes. So definitely. So the markets will definitely now pierce this area. But then what will happen is to let it go shoot all the way up and reach the fourth target, the last one, or it will be playing around before generating more liquidity again, and then keep on shooting higher. Good profit there. It's about $4,000 and $300 now. This is good. It's quite good in one trade. What? Not even 15 minutes. Not even. It's only like 9-minute trade. See what happened now. Are you maybe gonna take me out? We're gonna keep me in. It's up to you. Do whatever you wanna do with my trade. There you go. You want me out? That's awesome. I love this trade. This is good one. There you go, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Again, hit me up with comments, like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see for the upcoming videos. And remember to trade wisely.